What is the real cost of home STI testing kits? Imagine being able to check your sexual health without leaving your home. That's what home STI testing kits offer. But before you buy, it's good to understand what the true costs are beyond just the price tag. These kits can range from about $40 to over $300 depending on what they test for and how many infections they cover. For example, a simple oral HIV test might cost around $39, while a comprehensive panel testing for multiple infections can reach for $100 or more. Some companies sell individual tests for specific infections like chlamydia or gonorrhea, starting around $50 to $79. Broader panels that test for 5, 8, or even 14 infections tend to be more expensive. The number of infections tested is a big factor in the overall cost. If you only want to check for common infections like chlamydia and gonorrhea, the price is usually lower. But if you want a full picture including HIV, syphilis, herpes, and other infections, expect to pay more. The sample collection method also influences the price. Some tests use a simple finger prick or oral swab, which are easier and cheaper, while others requiring urine samples or more invasive swabs, which can add to the cost and complexity. Most health insurance plans do not cover the cost of these kits when bought directly by consumers. However, if a healthcare provider orders the test through telehealth services, insurance might cover part or all of the expense. Some companies like NERCs work directly with insurance and may offer kits at very low or no cost, depending on your plan. Always check with your insurance provider to see what's covered. Discounts, promo codes, and loyalty programs can also help reduce what you pay out of pocket. Shopping around and signing up for newsletters from testing companies can save you money. Keep in mind that some companies charge extra for follow-up consultations if your test results are positive. For example, a $39 fee might be required to speak with a healthcare professional about your results. Shipping costs and other service fees can also add up, so always read the fine print before purchasing. Home testing can be especially helpful if you face barriers to visiting a clinic, like transportation issues, busy schedules, or privacy concerns. It makes screening more accessible and less intimidating. But it's important to follow the collection instructions carefully because improper sampling can lead to inaccurate results. If you do get a positive result, seek follow-up care from a healthcare provider for confirmation and treatment. While home STI tests are generally reliable when used correctly, they are not a replacement for professional medical care. They might miss some infections if samples aren't collected properly or if symptoms are present that need a physical exam. If you have symptoms or think you might be at high risk, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional. Remember, these kits are a useful tool to increase testing access, but they should be part of a broader approach to sexual health that includes regular checkups, honest communication with partners, and prompt medical attention when needed. The true cost of home STI testing includes the purchase price, potential extra fees, insurance considerations, and the importance of proper use for accurate results. Always prioritize professional guidance for personalized advice and peace of mind.